So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to rename a chat here on ChatGPT. So pretty straightforward. What you have to do obviously is open up ChatGPT and then start a new chat. Or what else you can do is already have a started chat previously that you can rename as well. So for instance, if you wanted to start a new chat, just go to the top left here, press on new chat, and we're just going to type in hello. That's all we're going to type in, nice and straightforward. As you can tell on the left-hand side of your screen, it auto-named to hello and assistance. Now, if you want to change the name of this conversation or any other conversation, as you can tell, I have 16, 15, 14, etc. It's pretty straightforward. Hover over top on the left-hand side of your screen of the chat. Go to these three dots right here, right beside it, where it says more. Press on that. Then where it says share, rename, delete, simply just press on rename. Now what you can type it in, so you can type in chat number 1 and then press on enter, and there you go. You've now renamed the chat here on ChatGPT. So fairly straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit, or I guess rename a chat here on ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.